guys, Prop Choice here with another in-depth prop firm review. And today we're covering a long-standing industry heavyweight, the 5%ers, a leading prop firm known for its commitment to trader growth, offering scaling up to $4 million and flexible accounts for all types of traders. We'll be covering everything you need to know about this hugely popular prop firm, and you can find even more information on the 5%ers as well as other leading prop firms at propchoice.com. With reviews, rankings and detailed statistics, it's the best place to compare the top players in the industry. The 5%ers pride themselves on their transparent approach, and it's telling that they've consistently ranked as one of the most trusted and reputable prop firms in the industry. The question is, can they maintain that record in 2024? Let's find out. The 5%ers offer 3 distinct programs with clear rules and achievable targets, each designed to cater to different trading styles and levels of expertise. There's an instant funding program, a 2-step program, and a 3-step program. Account size options depend on the program type. The Hyper Growth program is the 5%ers instant funding program, offering account sizes ranging from 10k to 40k. It's specifically designed for traders looking for rapid growth, providing an opportunity for them to double their account at each milestone. The program has a 10% profit target with a 6% maximum loss and 3% daily loss. The High Stakes program is a 2-step, high-risk, high-reward program with account sizes ranging from 5k up to 100k. The program offers compelling advantages, including high drawdowns and leverage, the potential to scale your profit split up to 100%, and a monthly salary for consistently profitable traders. The program has an 8% profit target in Phase 1 and 5% in Phase 2, with a 10% maximum loss and 5% daily loss across both phases. The Bootcamp program is a beginner-friendly 3-step, no-time limit program with one of the lowest entry costs in the industry and 2 account size options, 100k and 250k. A notable highlight is that traders only need to pay part of the challenge fee to get started, with the remainder only due if and when they pass. The program has clear and straightforward rules. During the evaluation phase, there's no daily loss limit to worry about, and all 3 steps have a 6% profit target and 5% maximum loss. Once you progress to a funded account, there's a profit target of 5%, a max loss of 4%, and a daily loss of 3%. The 5%ers are famed for their industry-leading scaling plan. The High Stakes program can be scaled up to 500k, and the Bootcamp and Hyper Growth programs allow for scaling up to $4 million. With the Bootcamp program, traders can scale up each time they achieve a 5% profit target, and the Hyper Growth and High Stakes programs allow traders to scale up with every 10% profit target. The 5%ers bring a lot of value to the table with their competitive prices. The Hyper Growth program starts at $260 for a 10k account, ranging up to $850 for a 40k account. The High Stakes program ranges from $39 for a 5k account up to $495 for a 100k account. And the Bootcamp program has a unique pricing structure, with a 100k account costing just $95 to get started, plus an additional $205 only if you pass the challenge. The larger 250k account has an initial fee of $225 plus $350 after passing the challenge. Profit splits vary depending on the program. The High Stakes program starts at 80% and the Hyper Growth and Bootcamp program start at 50%. Now, while 50% might seem low at first glance, thanks to the 5%ers' unique scaling plan, profit splits for all programs can rise all the way to 100%, the highest in the industry. Here's how it works. With the Bootcamp program, you can scale up with every 5% gain, increasing account balance as well as profit split. The profit split for a 100k account will increase from 50 to 75% upon reaching the second level. At the next milestone, upon reaching a 100k profit target, the account balance will rise to $2 million and the profit split will increase to 80%, then up to 100% upon reaching a 125k profit target. Those who achieve a 200k profit target will also increase their account balance up to $4 million. Scaling for the Hyper Growth program works similarly. Traders can scale up with every 10% profit target, increasing profit split and doubling account size all the way up to $4 million. After the first 10% gain, profit split increases from 50 to 75%. Upon reaching a profit of 64k, this will increase to 80%, and at 128k, it will rise to 100%. Profit splits for the High Stakes program start at 80% and scale up after reaching set milestones, firstly up to 85%, then up to 90%, and finally to 100%. The skilled traders who reach this stage will also be offered a personalized contract with a $4,000 monthly salary. Customer support is one of the most important factors that can make or break a prop firm. The 5%ers stands out in this regard with a comprehensive support system. They offer support through email, chat, Discord, and all major social media networks, in addition to telephone support, a significant advantage considering that most prop firms don't even have a number you can call. So, how do they perform in practice? I contacted the 5%ers through each support channel to find out, and came away very impressed. When I reached out through email, I received a response in a matter of minutes. On Discord and web chat, it was almost instant. Phone support was equally efficient. However, responses through social media, while still reasonably fast, took slightly longer, typically up to a day, so I'd recommend choosing other contact methods for a more prompt response. In all cases, my queries were answered quickly and efficiently. Initially, I found the firm's chat support to be somewhat blunt. However, I came to appreciate this direct approach as it avoided unnecessary exchanges and made for a quick and seamless experience, something that's essential in a trading environment where clear and concise information is paramount. The 5%ers are unique in that they don't use common retail brokers and instead trade directly through commercial liquidity providers. This is a great advantage. However, the company does not disclose specific information in this regard. They use MT5 as their trading platform, offering access to all major asset classes, including Forex, cryptos, metals, indices, and commodities. The firm has straightforward rules and prides itself on supporting a variety of trading styles and strategies. News and algo trading are supported, there's no restrictions on holding positions overnight or over the weekend, and all programs have zero time limits. Commissions stand at $4 for metals and Forex, $2 for indices, and crypto and commodities are commission-free. Leverage varies depending on the program type and asset class, ranging from 1 to 10 to 1 to 100. Stay tuned because I'll be doing a series of videos covering each program where I'll be going in depth on specific information like this. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. With a Trustpilot score of 4.8, the 5%ers can claim to be one of the best reviewed prop firms. Traders particularly appreciate the fact they offer live funded accounts at reasonable prices with trader-friendly conditions. The firm is also highly regarded for curating a robust support system with some of the most comprehensive educational resources in the industry. They offer classes, courses, webinars, and one-on-one coaching. This is all in addition to maintaining an active and supportive Discord server, where traders can share what they learn with the community and interact with the firm's leadership. The 5%ers has lots to like. For one, they're one of the only firms to offer live funded accounts with instant funding. Other notable highlights include programs catering to all levels of expertise and risk profiles, an opportunity for scaling up to $4 million, the potential to achieve a 100% profit split, a low cost of entry for the beginner-friendly Bootcamp program, access to useful trading tools and educational resources, including courses and one-on-one coaching, and quick and efficient 24/7 support with the additional option of phone support during business hours. The only potential negatives that come to mind is that the firm doesn't currently offer a free trial, and there's a slight lack of information regarding the firm's commercial liquidity providers. The 5%ers has more than earned its status in the industry, with an emphasis on education, community and trader support, alongside flexible programs with rapid growth potential. I think it's safe to say they'll continue to be one of the top prop firms in 2024. Although starting profit splits are on the lower side, the ability to scale up to 100% is a unique and enticing prospect for savvy traders looking for the highest possible profit potential. And that's our review of the 5%ers. If you've had direct experience with the 5%ers, I'd love to get your thoughts. Do you agree with my take? Leave a comment, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. I'll have more in-depth videos on each of the 5%ers programs coming soon. Until then, thanks for watching.